Dayparts is where you can schedule programs to play at specific times of day across your locations. Let's check out our Mood Cafe program for Denver. Here, we see this device has 2 zones. This device is currently set to play Hot FM 24/7 in Zone 1. Let's add some variety and have it play the Party playlist starting at noon on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Click Save, and we've got ourselves ready for the weekend. In Zone 2, we've got a sale coming up for margarita glassware for Cinco de Mayo. So let's plan for that. Click Zone 2. Then click on New Override Schedule and let's set that to happen May 1st through May 5th. Next, let's add Latin hits where this silence is. Click Save, and we're good to go. The program will automatically start playing at the designated times and revert back to the default program once our sale is over. Need to run this sale to other locations as well? Select Copy Schedule to Zones, and select which store and zone you want to run it to. Alternatively, you can create a group including all stores with a sale on margarita glassware and select Copy Schedule to Groups. Then select the group. Check out our tutorial for more details on creating and managing groups. Once you've finished making all changes you wish to make with your zones and groups, be sure and click Save, then Publish.